Welcome to all. Now I am tell about how to precaution for blood pressure. To prevent high blood pressure, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes eating well, exercising, maintaining a healthy weight, and limiting alcohol and smoking. You can also monitor your blood pressure regularly and share your reading with your doctor. Diet. Eat a balanced diet with lots of fruits and vegetables. Limit processed foods, fats, and sugar. Eat young protein and whole grains. Reduce your sodium intake. Exercise. Be physically active even if it's just moderate activity. Try to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. You can try weightlifting, dancing, biking, or walking. Weight. Maintain a healthy weight or lose weight. Learn your body mass index BMI from your doctor. Sleep. Get enough sleep, identically 7 to 9 hours per night. Create a restful sleep environment. Avoid going to bed hungry or too full. Alcohol and smoking, limit or avoid alcohol and don't smoke. Stress management. Try relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, etc. Blood pressure monitoring. Track your blood pressure at home regularly. Share your readings with your doctor. Prevention. Keep your weight healthy. The higher your body mass index BMI, the greater your odds of developing high blood pressure. Track your blood pressure. Eat hot, healthy foods. Get or stay fit. Don't smoke, or if you do, now quiet. Learn healthy ways to manage stress. Thank you.